Activity. Yes. In Windsor. You just got some amazing food. Smell nice. Don't see them? It does.
Looks delicious.
I know. I'm telling you.
Here, let me get the little spoons that I've got.
Active.
These are a bit big, boy.
What is under my nose? The food. Tell me what's going on right
Alright,
here.
so first of all you have jerk herb chicken thighs, sweet honey chicken wings, honey Cajun chicken wings, garlic herb butter, spaghetti, green sauce, coleslaw, jerk lamb chops in a coconut sauce, mac and cheese, seasoned rice, Cajun turkey meatballs, Cajun lamb boil packs, Cajun lamb boil packs in a garlic herb butter sauce. And you've got your favourite cheesecake.
You see that? Look at that.
With strawberries, real strawberries.
Yeah, it's not the fake ones.
No.
Not strawberry from Timo.
No.
Old gun, new gun, big cars, diamonds, blood diamonds, but black bread, I mind them. Curl up your fuck, but I still have to buy some carrots, them healthy, my vision, no blind man. I see every play like a coach, I'm in my bag.
She don't play.
My pleasure.
No, it's my pleasure to eat.
Why?
Killer them strapped up, anybody move them, I see heaven. That I can't even see them.
This food is from K's. Sample this. Where you say this is? The honey barbecue wings.
When we done, grab a thick girl nightstand. No, she's my nightstand. Three condom fish right on the night long. She's where I from, me big thing.
Listen, I'm sending you all my recipes when I get home. Listen, you need to cook now. I'm going to teach you how to cook.
Tell me, your food is like the wireless from a while ago. The flawless victory. When in the UK, check there.
Bitch up popular, get lit again. Put more, yo, sing at them. Spend $1 million at the place and me still a spend.
See me and see up to the time, you know it's Vybz Kartel, and you're in tune to Keep It Real with Andrae. Watch, like, subscribe and share. I'm out.